Have you got 5 minutes? Excellent. I'm Jensuya, this is Drummer Bob, and we're going to do a 5-minute belly dance workout focusing on arm challenges with geese in the background on our hip drop and hip drop kicks. It's going to be a challenge, but we'll cue you at the changes. Yalla Habibi, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go with our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go with our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doing some hip drop kicks. I'm working really hard to keep my balance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Snake arms. Doing it right now. 2, 2, 3, 4. Switching to the other side. And here we go. In and out with the arms, and down and up with the body. I've got my hips going on automatic with the beat, and I'm moving my arms in multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Hip drop kicks, hip drop kicks, hip drop kicks, hip drop kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, to the other side. Take your break, because here we go. Hip drop kicks. In with the arm, out and up, and arcing down, working really hard. Again, my hips are going on automatic, and my arms are going in multiples of 4. So I'm really thinking about my arms, dancing with my arms. Here we go. If I had a melody, my arms would be moving to the melody and my hips to the beat. There's your little improv lesson. And we're going to do this as drum solo lessons too. When you're done, be sure to put a comment. Yes, Jensuya, we want drum solo lessons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Let's take it to the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop, 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 and drop. And hip kicks, drop, kicks, drop, kicks, drop, kicks, drop, kicks, drop, kicks, back to the other side. Drop, 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 down. So I'm lowering just a tiny bit. And drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick to the other side. Drop, kick, 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 drop, kick. Drop, kick, taking it to the other side. Drop, kick, drop, kick, drop. How are you feeling right now? Getting a pretty good workout? A nice little one. You could actually do this on a break while you're at the office or at home when you've only got 5 minutes. 5-minute belly dance workout, counting down for our last 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Voila! A belly dance arm challenge with a hip drop and hip drop kick. If you've made it all the way to the end of the video, pat yourself on the back, smash that like button, and say, Jensuya, loving it, and I did it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos that we upload each Monday and every once in a while on Thursdays too. What to watch next? You can do another workout video or work on your technique for hip drop kicks, and for snake arms. Masalama, we'll see you on the next video.